Suppose x and y are independent random variables. Independent random variables with the following respective distribution. Following respective distribution. Respective distribution. Find the joint distribution. Find the joint distribution. Joint distribution of x and y. Also verify covariance of x comma y is equal to 0. Covariance of x comma y equal to 0. So what they are given? They are given the marginal values. They are given the marginal values. xi, f of xi. So 1, 2. So next here 0.7, 0.3. So then marginal values of y they are given as. So this is yi or yj. Usually we have to take j for y. Yj and g of yj. So next this is -2, 0.3. Next 5, 0.5. Then 8.2. Next read the question. So this is the data what they are given. First please read the question. What's the question given? Suppose x and y are independent random variables with the following respective distributions. Find the joint distribution of x and y. Also verify covariance of x comma y equal to 0. Covariance of x comma y 0 when x and y are independent. Okay. So what we have to consider? Anybody can you tell me? What we have to consider? Right? So they are given the marginal values for x and y. X value is given 1 and 2. Okay, x value is given as 1 and 2. Okay, then what are the y values given?
-2, 5, 8.
-2, 5 and 8. Okay. Then along with x and y, what they are given? Marginal values, right? They are given marginal values.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is f of x given? Marginal values here we have to write f of x. What are the marginal values given?
0.7.
0.7 and
0.3.
0.3. What are the marginal values of y given? G of y?
0.3, 0.5, 0.2.
0.5 and 0.2 is given. So if you add these two, you will get 1, right? If you add these three, 0.3 plus 0.5 is 0.8, 0.8 plus 0.2 is 1. So we got this table. So what they are asking us, we have to complete the table by using the condition that x and y are independent. So how we can get this value if x and y are independent?
Yes.
This
f of x, x1 and g of y1.
Yes. So this is the answer for product of g of y1 and f of x1 because x and y are
Independent.
Independent. What is 0.3 into 0.7?
0.21.
21. Okay, next you find out. So this one, 0.5 into 0.7, 0.35.
0.35.
So next, 0.2 into 0.7,
0.14.
0.14. Next, 0.3 into 0.3, product of these two,
0.09.
0.09. Next, 0.5 into 0.3, 0.15.
Yes, ma'am.
0.2 into 0.3, 0.06.
Yes, ma'am.
You can check your values. Add these 6 values. 0.21 plus 0.35 plus 0.14 plus 0.09 plus 0.15 plus 0.06. Add these 6 values. Tell me what you got. What you got? What you got? Is it equal to 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that should be 1. If it is not 1 means somewhere you did mistake. You have to correct it. Okay. So that will be covered first question. So that means we have to construct the joint probability table with the given condition x and y are independent. Okay. Next what we have to find? We have to find out the covariance of x, y. We have to prove it is equal to 0. What is the formula to find covariance of x, y? What's the formula we have? Expectation of xy minus expectation of x into expectation of y, that is mu x, mu y. Mu x is nothing but expectation of x, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Mu y means expectation of y. So find out this one and substitute. First you find out expectation of x. Expectation of x is nothing but mu x. So that is summation of xi into f of xi. So that means we have x1, x2. So this is f of x1 and marginal values f of x2. So that is x1 into f of x1 plus x2 into f of x2. Substitute now. What is x1? 1 into f of x1 is 0.7 plus x2 is 2, f of x2 is 0.3. So what you got? 0.7 plus
1.3.
0.6. 1.3. 1.3. Similarly, find out expectation of y. Expectation of y is nothing but mu y, which is equal to summation of yj into g of yj. So this is y1, y2, y3. So then this is g of y1, g of y2, g of y3. So which is equal to y1 into g of y1 plus y2 into g of y2 plus y3 into g of y3 into g of y3. Now substitute. y1 is what? y1 is minus 2, g of y1 is 0.3 plus y2 is 5, g of y2 is 0.5, y3 is 8, g of y3 is 0.2. Calculate. What you got the answer? What you got the answer? 3 point?
3.5.
3.5. 3.5. So next we have to calculate expectation of xy. Can you tell me the formula? What is expectation of xy? Summation of I comma j xi yj
yi.
into jij. Correct? Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is x1. What we should consider x1? So shall I write directly? This into this into this. Correct? Plus this into this plus 1 into 8 into 0.14 plus 2 into minus 2 into 0.09 plus 2 into 5 into 0.15 plus 2 into 8 into 0.06. It should cover all the values of the table. So directly I am writing here 1 into minus 2 into 0.21 plus 1 into 5 into 0.35 plus 1 into 8 into 0.14 plus what? 2 into, come to the second row, 2 into minus 2 into 0.09 plus 2 into 5 into 0.15 plus 2 into 8 into 0.06. Is it right? Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now calculate this value. What you got?
4.55, ma'am.
4.55. 4.55. Now substitute all these values in the formula of covariance. Therefore, covariance of x comma y is equal to expectation of xy is 4.55 minus expectation of x is 1.3 into expectation of y is 3.5. What is 1.3 into 3.5?
4.55.
4.55. So 4.55 minus 4.55 is 0. So now we verify that covariance of x comma y is 0. When covariance of x comma y becomes 0, x and y are
Independent.
independent. So in this problem they are given that x and y are independent. So verify that covariance is 0. We verified it. Did you clear? Given the following joint distribution of the random variables x and y, find the corresponding marginal distribution full stop. Also compute the covariance and correlation of the random variables x and y, Random variables are generally represented as capital letters. Okay, now. So write down the given data with x and y. Okay, y values are 1, 3, 9. Corresponding x values, they are given as 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. So then distributions 1 by 8, 1 by 24, 1 by 12. Next 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 0. Next 1 by 8, 1 by 24 and 1 by 12. So this is a given data. This is June 2019 question paper problem, and it is also there in the December 2018 question paper also. Okay, we can go for the solution now. Solution. First we have to read the question, what they are given. Okay, given the following joint distribution for the random variables x, y. They are given the joint distribution. Find the corresponding marginal distribution. First question is we should find the marginal distribution. Second question, also compute covariance. Second thing, we have to find covariance. Third thing, we have to find out correlation. Okay, these three things we have to find for the given data. So first itself, if you find the marginal distribution, it will help for us to compute the remaining things. Okay, solution. Now we have to construct the table which consisting of joint distribution along with the marginal values. Marginal distribution. Okay. So this is x and this is y. So y values are 1, 3, 9. X values are 2, 4, 6. There is 3 to 4 marks for the table. Okay, so 1 by 8, 1 by 24, 1 by 2. Next 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 0. Next 1 by 8, 1 by 24 and 1 by 12. So now, so this is f of x, right? F of xi. This is g of yj. So now add 1 by 8 plus 1 by 24 plus 1 by 2. What you got? What you got? What is 1 by 8 plus 1 by 24 plus 1 by 2? Take LCM as 24 or use your calculator and tell me.
2 by 3.
24 is LCM. 1 by 2 by 8 means what? 1 by 4, huh? Next, what is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4? What is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4? 2 by 4? Right? Next, 1 by 8 plus 1 by 24 plus 1 by 2. It is same as first row. So now it is 1 by 12 we have, right? Yes, 1 by 12. It is also 1 by 2 or 1 by 12. It is 1 by 12, right? It is also 1 by 12. It is same as the first row. Therefore, it is 1 by 4. Next, come to the column wise. What is 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8? Take LCM 8. This become 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 by 8. Next, 1 by 24. 1 by 4. 1 by 24. So then, what you got?
1 by 3.
1 by 3 now. Okay. Next, 1 by 12 plus 0 plus 1 by 12 means 2 by 12. That is 1 by 6. Now add. What is 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4 plus 1 by 4? 4 is LCM. 4 by 4. That is 1. Is it right? Next, 4 by 8, 1 by 3, 2 by 12. What you got? So this is nothing but 1 by 2. Okay. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 6. 6 is LCM. 2 3s are 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1. 6. 6 by 6. 1. Correct? Huh? Is it right? Is it right? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is marginal values what we have. When x is 2, f of x is 1 by 4. When x is 4, f of x is 1 by 2. That is 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2. When x is 6, f of x is 1 by 4. So next, when y is 1, g of y is 1 by 2. When y is 3, g of y is 1 by 3. Then y is 9, g of y is 1 by 6. So next, what we have to compute after marginal distribution? What we have to compute? Covariance. What's the formula to find covariance of xy? Expectation of xy minus expectation of x into expectation of y. So first we have to find out expectation of x. Expectation of x will be found by summation of x into f of x. So here how many values for x we have? x1, x2, x3 and it is f of x1, f of x2, f of x2 and f of x3. f of x3. Therefore, it will be 2 into 1 by 4. It is like x1 into f of x1 plus x2 into f of x2 plus x3 into f of x3. Now substitute. So we obtain x1. What is x1? x1 is 2 into f of x1 is 1 by 4 plus x2 is 4. f of x2 is 2 by 4 plus x3 is 6. f of x3 is 1 by 4. Calculate now. 2 1s are 2 2s are cancelled. 4 and 4 cancelled. 2 3s are 2 2s are cancelled. So what you got? 1 by 2 plus 2 plus 3 by 2. Take 2 LCM. Then 1 plus 4 plus 3. 7 plus 1. 8 by 2, that is 4. Is it right? 4 is correct? Are you doing the problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 4.
Okay, next, find expectation of y. Expectation of y is summation of y into g of y. You can take it as yj over the summation j. So it is y1, y2, y3. So last value is g of y1. You name it as g of y1, g of y2, g of y3. So next here, y1 into g of y1 plus y2 into g of y2 plus y3 into g of y3. Now substitute. What is y1? y1 is 1, g of y1. g of y1 is 1 by 2 plus y2 is 3. What is g of y2? What is g of y2 we have? 1 by 3. So y3 plus y3 is 9. G of y3 is 1 by 6. Simplify this. So here 3 and 3 cancel. 3 3s are 3 2s are. So that is 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 3 by 2. 2 is LCM. Then 1 plus 2 plus 3. 5 plus 1, 6 by 2. That is 3. 3 is correct. Is E of y is 3? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next we have to go for expectation of x into y. Don't put comma here. Expectation of xy is summation of x, I, y, j, then j, I, j. Summation over I and j both. So that means be careful here. So it should cover complete table including x and y. So that is x1, y1, then j11. x2, y2, j12, x3, y3, j13. Next, x2, y1, j21, x2, y2, j22, x2, y3, j23. Next, x3, y1, j31, x2, y2, j32, x3, y3, j33. Okay, directly I am writing here. That is 2 into 1 into 1 by 8 plus then 2 into 3 into 1 by 24, 1 by 24 plus 2 into 9 into 1 by 12 plus, next come to the second row, 4 into 1 into 1 by 4 plus what? Plus 4 into 3 into 1 by 4 plus 4 into 9 into 0 plus, come to the third row, 6 into 1 into 1 by 8 plus 6 into 3 into 1 by 24 plus 6 into 9 into 1 by 12. Calculate and give me the answer quickly. (18 by 12). Do like in your calculator. 18 by 12 plus. So this will be 1. 4 by 4 is 1. 18 by 12 plus 1 plus 3 because 4 and 4 cancel plus 3. Next, it is 0 you leave. Next 6 by 8 plus
12, ma'am.
Final answer is 12.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, correct. 12 is correct only. So next we have to find out covariance of x comma y. So covariance of x comma y is expectation of xy, that is 12 minus what?
Expectation of x into expectation
Expectation
of y.
of x into expectation of y, that is 4 into 3. So which is equal to 12 minus 12, we got 0. Right? Covariance, we got it as 0. Next, we have to find out correlation. What is the formula to find correlation?
Covariance of x comma y divided by sigma x into sigma y.
Covariance of x comma y divided by sigma x into sigma y. Sigma x into sigma y. What is covariance of x comma y we got? 0.
0.
So 0 by sigma x into sigma y is 0 only. Correct? How to find sigma x? Sigma x is equal to square root of what? How to find sigma x?
Square root of variance v of
Square
x.
root of mean? No. Square root of variance you should get. What is the variance? You should find out v of x first, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Square root of v of x. Sigma x is square root of vx. V of capital X. Variance of capital X. How to find variance of capital X? Expectation of x square.
X minus mu square. Ma'am.
Expectation of x whole square. That is mu square. Correct? Huh? So here anyhow covariance is 0. So 0 by sigma x, sigma y is 0 only. Okay.